Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious nachos at home using your air fryer. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 6 ounces of your favorite tortilla chips, 4 ounces of shredded cheese like cheddar or Monterey Jack, and any toppings you love, such as cooked ground beef, black beans, or jalapenos. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. For 5 minutes, this ensures even cooking. Now, let's build those perfect nacho layers. Start by placing a single layer of tortilla chips in your preheated air fryer basket or pan. Don't overcrowd it. You want the hot air to circulate. Next, sprinkle about 1/3 of your shredded cheese evenly over the chips. If you're adding cooked meat or beans, this is the time to add a portion of those toppings over the cheese. Repeat these layers for maximum flavor distribution. With your nachos layered, carefully place them into the preheated air fryer. Cook them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. The goal is for the cheese to be perfectly melted and bubbly, and the chips to be warm and slightly crispy. Keep a close eye on them, especially during the last minute, as air fryers can cook quickly and you don't want to burn your delicious creation. A quick check ensures perfection. Once your nachos are golden and gooey, carefully remove them from the air fryer. Now for the fun part, adding your fresh, cold toppings. Dollop on some sour cream, spoon over your favorite salsa, add a generous scoop of guacamole, or sprinkle with fresh cilantro. These fresh additions provide a wonderful contrast to the warm, cheesy chips. Serve your homemade air fryer nachos immediately and enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.